A green revolution, from sports fields to our backyards. The world is changing, and so is our approach to greenery. Concrete jungles are expanding at an unprecedented rate. But amidst the grey, a splash of green persists, bringing life to urban landscapes. Artificial grass, once known as Astroturf, is no longer confined to sports stadiums and professional arenas. It's appearing in backyards, playgrounds, and even on balconies, transforming spaces into green havens. This technology promises the lush beauty of a lawn without the constant upkeep, mowing, or watering. But is it a worthy substitute for the real thing? The debate continues. For many, a vibrant green lawn symbolizes tranquility, relaxation, and a deep connection with nature. It's a place for children to play, for families to gather, and for memories to be made. Traditional lawns, however, demand time, effort, and resources. They require regular mowing, watering, and care. Artificial grass presents a tempting alternative, offering a low-maintenance solution, but understanding its benefits and drawbacks is crucial before making the switch. Let's explore the world of artificial grass in detail and see how it measures up against its natural counterpart. From environmental impact to aesthetic appeal, we'll cover it all. Understanding the difference, AstroTurf versus real grass. Real grass is a living organism, a natural part of our environment. It needs sunlight, water, and nutrients to thrive, just like any other plant. Its blades are constantly growing, requiring regular mowing to maintain a neat appearance. Artificial grass, on the other hand, is a manufactured product designed to replicate the look of real grass. It consists of synthetic fibers, often made from polyethylene or nylon, that mimic the look and feel of real grass, but without the need for constant care. These fibers are typically anchored to a backing material, creating a durable and weather-resistant surface that can withstand heavy use. This fundamental difference dictates their care requirements and overall impact on the environment, influencing your choice based on your needs. Real grass contributes to a healthy ecosystem by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, playing a crucial role in air purification. It also helps to cool the surrounding air, reduce temperatures, and prevent soil erosion, making it beneficial for the environment. Artificial grass, while requiring less maintenance and no watering, does not offer these ecological benefits, but it can be a practical solution for areas where real grass struggles to grow. The price of green comparing costs. The initial cost of artificial grass is significantly higher than that of real grass. This is because artificial grass is a manufactured product that requires specific materials and processes to create. You're essentially investing in a product that needs to be transported and professionally installed, which adds to the initial expense. However, this upfront cost can be offset by long-term savings. Over time, the money saved on maintenance can balance out the initial investment. Real grass requires ongoing expenses such as watering, mowing, fertilizing, and pest control. These costs can add up significantly over the years. Artificial grass eliminates these recurring costs, offering a low-maintenance alternative that can save both time and money. The overall cost effectiveness depends on several factors, including the size of the area, the quality of the artificial grass chosen, and the local climate. Higher quality artificial grass may have a higher upfront cost, but can offer better durability and appearance. In regions with water restrictions or high maintenance costs, artificial grass might prove to be a more economical option in the long run. It can provide a green, lush appearance without the need for constant watering, making it ideal for drought-prone areas. Section 4. Setting the stage, installation process, and challenges. Installing real grass is a relatively straightforward process. It typically involves preparing the soil, laying down sod, or sowing seeds and watering regularly until the grass establishes itself. Artificial grass installation is more complex and requires specialized knowledge. The area needs to be properly excavated and leveled, a layer of compacted base material installed, and the artificial turf carefully laid down and secured. Improper installation can lead to drainage problems, wrinkles, and an uneven surface. While DIY installation is possible, hiring experienced professionals can ensure a successful and long-lasting result. Section 5. Keeping it lush, maintenance requirements. Real grass is a living entity that demands constant care. It needs regular watering, especially during hot and dry periods. Mowing is essential to maintain a desired height and prevent overgrowth. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients, while aeration helps to improve soil drainage and root health. Artificial grass, on the other hand, requires minimal upkeep. Occasional brushing helps to remove debris and prevent compaction. Rinsing with water removes dust and dirt, keeping the surface looking fresh. While artificial grass eliminates the need for mowing, watering, and fertilizing, it's important to note that it is not entirely maintenance-free.